I'm Gunjan Verma. I am from the Indian Embassy. My husband is the ambassador over here in Japan. He is my chef. He's going to cook aloo paratha and chapati. So the first bread that we are making is chapati, which we only use wheat flour and water in it. So this is something that we eat normally every day at home. In India, everybody eats this. Over here in Japan, naan is very famous. We eat naan only for special occasions, and generally, since it is made in a tandoor, and the tandoor is very big, so we don't make it at home. We generally make it at the restaurants make it in their place. Now he's going to start to make the chapati, which is plain. We eat it almost every day at home with curries or lentils. So this is plain flour. So he makes this round and then he dips it in the flour. So you see that slowly the color starts changing, it becomes brown. So as it starts to bubble up, then you turn it over. Next one is aloo paratha. That is also very a common thing that we eat at home. The wheat bread is stuffed with potato mixture, and I'm going to show you that now. First, this is boiled potato. We took off the skin and then we have mashed it a little bit. So he's going to add all the spices. So number one is chopped onion, coriander leaves, green chili. This is chopped ginger. This is garam masala, caraway seeds. This is cumin powder, chaat masala powder. Chaat masala is a sour powder, and red chili powder. This is nigella seeds, and now salt. So now he's going to mix it with his hands, and as he mixes it, he's going to mash the potatoes also. So this is the potato mixture, which is almost ready now. So he will fill this potato mixture inside the bread and close it into a ball, roll it out, and then cook it on the griddle. and now he put 1 or 2 tablespoons of potato in it, and now he will close it in. So slowly you roll it and close it. So now we put ghee on it, and it's too hot. So we make it a little crispy. So now I'm going to show you the simpler way how to make it, because the last way, the other way, was a little difficult. So when I turn the ball, I also press it. So I'm pressing it also. So you have a nice even ball. So now I put this in the middle. And then I bring the sides together. So when we roll, you see our paratha moves round and round. That gives a even rolling to it. Fire should be medium hot. Every house has a pan like this. So this is done. So this is aloo paratha, and generally we eat the aloo paratha with a yogurt dish. So I'm just going to show you, it's very easy. This is yogurt, red chili powder. This is roasted cumin powder. We roast the cumin and then we make it into a powder. This is chaat masala, little water and salt. So I'll just put 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. salt, roasted cumin powder, chili powder, and chaat masala. So then I mix it. So this is ready, and we eat the aloo paratha with the yogurt dish. And then it's not spicy at all. Because of the potato and the wheat, it has no spices in it. It's very mild. I think you should try this. It's really very tasty and it's not very spicy. You can try and make it at home. It's not that hard.